Hello friends, welcome back to your channel Simplify Your Space. Pandemic has changed the way we work and manage our day-to-day affairs. Offices are either shut or partially open. Educational institutes are likely to stay closed for long. This means work and study from home will be a new normal, and earlier we adapt to it, the better it is. Since every member may not have work or study set up, this is a great time to share resources like computer, working desk, etc. In this video, we shall see the basics to set up a desk for work from home and Kids Study Desk for online classes. This also includes some DIY ideas and tips to keep in mind while choosing the appropriate place for desk as well as arranging it. This video is brought to you by 3M. Now let's start the video. The first and most important point is to have an organized working desk. As I said earlier in my other video also, an organized desk means an organized mind. So to keep your work from home routine productive and efficient, an organized study or work desk is very important. Now let's see few hacks to organize your desk. If you have drawers in your desk, then organize your stationery with old takeaway containers or old and unused mobile boxes. Or you can get these kind of drawer organizing trays to keep things segregated. Idea is to keep items segregated so that they can be easily accessed and replaced without mixing up. It is frustrating to find something in the middle of the meeting or class. We have a full dedicated video on this desk organization. The link is given in the description box. Now, if you do not have a proper desk, then you can convert your dining table or lesser used TV table into a working desk. This is a TV table in a guest room which I am converting into a DIY work desk. It does not have any drawers also, so we have to keep essentials on the table itself. Now let me show you how I've arranged it. We are using range of 3M products which are easy to apply and remove without damaging the walls. First, I have placed this laptop in the center and shall arrange the organizers according to the leftover space. On the right hand side, I have placed this beautiful teal colored caddy to organize stationery items. And on the left corner, I have kept magazine holder to arrange notebooks and papers. It was originally in white, but I have spray painted it yellow to make the place look colorful. We can make a good use of walls as well. This magnetic knife holder is placed on the side wall to arrange some of the essentials. Originally it was in plain black color, but I have done decoupage to make it look like a decorative piece. As we are not using any nails, I am placing it with the help of double tape. Below we have some space which can be utilized to place this 3M whiteboard film. It can be placed and removed easily without damaging the surfaces. Applying is very easy. Just remove the backing sheet and apply it gently on the surface. It does not leave any ghost marks. It can be used efficiently to make a to-do list or timetable for students. If you have enough space, then you can go with the large size of whiteboard film, which is about 3 feet by 2 feet. This can help you to set up an instant classroom at home and can also work as your thought planner. You stand a chance to win 50% off on 3M posted 3 feet by 2 feet whiteboard film. All what you have to do is upload a picture of your organized desk on your Instagram and tag Kaman India. For more details, check the description box. On the front wall, I have placed this Kaman sawtooth picture hanging hook in the center to hang a beautiful picture frame with a motivating quote. This helps to keep the person positive and doubles up as a decor piece. Next is this metal grid bulletin board which I have fixed with the help of these small command hooks. Command hooks are easy to apply, reusable DIY hooks. They hold weight strongly and don't fall off. Now here we have some space left where I have placed this utility command hook to hang a very important essential for online classes and online meetings, a headphone. This is important if one does not have a quiet environment. I would recommend to always keep a backup headphone as well, just in case if the main one breaks down or doesn't work. Now all the organizers are placed mindfully. Let's start organizing the essentials. This magnetic knife holder will be used in organizing whiteboard duster, few paper clips, binder clips and a scissor. This magazine holder will be utilized to keep daily planner and notebooks. If children are using this desk, they can keep their books here. In this caddy, I have stored all the stationery items like whiteboard markers, pencils, pens, stapler, and these different sizes of 3M posted notes to jot down important notes and to make a to-do list. A must-have essential on your desk. And this memo bulletin can be used to hang pictures, notes, to-do list, everyday menu, etc. Children can use it to paste their timetable for online classes. Besides these essentials, one can keep a Scotch tape dispenser also if you use it often. Very convenient to use. To make the place look refreshing, I have placed a small plant here which also work well as a decor piece. Keep the extra wire and battery of laptop tied with Velcro and place it at the back of the laptop to make the place look uncluttered. I have a charging point just right here which is very convenient to use. Alternatively, you can use this wire box to hide the battery and wire. It helps making the place neat and organized. Wire extension to use multiple gadgets can also be placed in it. Another essential is a mobile holder to keep your phone on upright position, which is convenient to attend video calls. And here our DIY desk is ready, which is looking great. Alternatively, you can convert an ironing board into a temporary desk for a short period. Multiple family members working from home means everyone needs a separate space. A dining table can also be utilized to make a desk. Keep all the stationery items and other essentials in a tray, and all the textbooks and notebooks in a basket like this. And your dining table is also ready as your workstation. Now we have converted and arranged different spaces for all the family members so that each one has its own working space. Least interference helps to improve the productivity and make working and studying from home stress-free. This was all about organizing your desk. Now let me share with you few more important points to keep in mind while choosing the appropriate place for desk as well as arranging it. The next important point to consider is to have an ample sunlight in the room. Choose a room which has large windows and is well ventilated. Fresh air with sunlight will keep up your mood, whereas dingy, dark and congested rooms will make you lethargic. If by any chance enough sunlight is not available in your house, then use good amount of artificial light. Get a study light or a table lamp installed for your desk. Choose a comfortable chair which helps you in keeping your back straight. Office chair, dining chair, anything is good as far as they are comfortable. To support your back, you can place a cushion. For kids, they need to sit little higher, and for that you can place this kind of cushion or a booster chair. Keeping a footrest or stool nearby to keep your feet comfortable is a good idea. If working on the bed or sofa, then you can get this bed laptop table which is very comfortable and keeps you in upright position. Make sure the computer or laptop is placed on an eye level or slightly below to avoid hurting your back and neck. Use a laptop stand or place your laptop on a stable support surface such as monitor risers, bathroom stool and bulky books so that the screen height can be adjusted. Do not encourage kids to keep the tab or phone on their hands and lap. Keep them on the appropriate height using any kind of support such as books or phone and tab holder. To work and study online, the most essential thing is internet. Choose a good high-speed internet to avoid any disturbance and connection related problem. If Wi-Fi router is kept away from your room, Then get a Wi-Fi extender which will provide you internet in all your rooms. You may experience the low bandwidth with that, but at least you will be able to access the internet in all the rooms. Now, as you and your kids will be accessing the computer, laptop or any other gadgets and will install new applications for video calling and other stuff, it is very important to keep your data and gadgets safe from spyware. So get an antivirus installed in your computer to stay safe. Also, if your child is using your computer device for online classes, then better to make a separate guest login for him, so that he can't access and delete your important files by mistake and install any new applications without your permission. Do not forget to keep a water bottle and snacks for munching, as sometimes meetings and classes go very long. Keeping yourself hydrated is very important to avoid headaches and uneasiness. Do not sit on the computer for long durations. Take small breaks in between. Do little walking, stretching and exercises for your eyes. Whenever you get chance, get up from your seat and look outside. Look far. It will help your eyes to relax. Last but not the least, if you have old spare devices, do donate or share with someone who may not be so privileged to buy new phones or computers. Make sure you format your device or reset it to factory settings before donation. Don't forget to participate in the contest to get 50% off on 3M 3 feet by 2 feet whiteboard film. Details about the contest and Amazon 3M work from home product links are provided in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a thumbs up and share this video with your family and friends. Do subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram and Facebook for all the latest updates and video notifications. Happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.